In this video, we're gonna fix the valve cover leak once and for all. You can see the oil up in here. So it's pooling up here and then it's going over the intake and rolling back down here and hitting the exhaust. It's just not freaking sealing. I mean, granted, I think it was sealing on the bottom, but it's just not sealing up here. I mean, I could see impression here. Flip it over, I can see the head is biting all through here just fine. Even right around here. But in here, it just doesn't seem to be biting. Just looking at it, it looks like maybe just a little bit in here, the valve cover's spread out, and then it's causing the, or perhaps, it's theory, causing the gasket to kind of go like that. I mean, it just doesn't have a very nice flat ridge in here, you know? I mean, it's just how it's designed, but let's see, maybe I can squish it down a little, see if that helps. Maybe. Alright, so I was going to try these things. These are not made for a Mopar valve cover. You can see there that they don't align to the hole. So, took it to the grinder and shaved off some material here and here so it fits around the valve cover. The only thing is you can see how it's kind of like bowed. So when I tighten, I need to not tighten all the way down because that's going to be a problem. But it's going to spread the load from here to here. So you have like 2 points of squeeze. And where the leak is occurring is right in this area. So and then they do the same here. So we should have like more spread out points of pressure on the valve cover gasket. So I don't know if it's going to work or not, but give it a try and see what happens.